So today we're getting ready to mix in all the seedling mix for the trays that we had done in the other video. And these are some of the things that I have bought for the seedlings. And this right here comes from Millstone, Wisconsin. Milled Horticulture Spangle Moss and the organic worm castings. And then I've got some of this too, the organic compost. And I also bought this from Bacto, the seedling and propagation mix. I'm gonna kind of see which one does the best. No videos. You're tall. Stuff I wanted to show you was to share some of the seed companies that I use, so you know where to get some of the catalogs and some of the places that you can order seeds from. This one is one of my favorite ones right here. This one too. So I use Johnny's a lot for a lot of the larger amounts. Now I'm going to start planting some of the seeds and soaking some of the seeds. So here, and these are ones I've saved every year. I save these, and every year they germinate and they produce really well. These are ones I just bought, and I'm gonna plant a few of these right here and get some of my other ones out that I have. And these are some of the bigger bags I was saying. These are really big bags, and this is really big, but pretty big. So now I'm back, and I've already soaked all the seeds in the cups now in some water for 24 hours. And even the ghost peppers after 24 hours actually had a teeny tiny little sprout. This helps to soak them and get them soft so they break through the shell easier. And now I've sprayed down the tray again, and I've got the each one of them that are different ones listed, and now I'm set to put them on the heating pad, the seed mat. So guys, I wanted to show you exactly, look what we got after the first day of planting. After the moisture has built up all the way to the third shelf, not to the bottom, and it's at 82.9 on the thermostat. And then this right here, I ended up with these, and got these from Walmart for like $1, I think. And these are perfect. They're, see, as you can see, right at almost 80 degrees. And the seedlings haven't quite yet. Of course, it hasn't even been quite 24 hours. But this is what I got after the next morning. So it's doing pretty good. I'm expecting any day a few sprouts. I know you probably can't really see them good, but they've actually started a little teeny sprout less than 24 hours soaking in the cups. So I'm pretty excited about that. So it should go pretty quick. Got some tomatoes down here towards the end. Do different ones all the time. Kind of like rotate and do a few here and there. So I wanted to show you after 2 days what we have. Looky there, arulas coming up. And temperature's holding well. I did have to take the covers off. 1, because the seeds come up, and 2, I was actually getting a little bit of mold. So it was actually too much moisture just with the tiny bit of spraying.